Hello, everyone. How is it going today? Danny, welcome. Chris, welcome. Alvin, welcome. All right, we're getting set up right now. And first things first, we need to do the random for the serial number filler. So thank you for filling in on those, everyone that did. We appreciate that. Uh, Something a little different. Other people have been asking me to do it. Saw Tony do it with his break that he's currently doing right now with Alex, and it was kind of cool, so we decided to go for it. So, here is our serial filler. I'll bring that up on screen right now. Alright, here's the serial filler. And what I'm going to do is copy everybody's name. Alright, remember the rules. We will be randoming this 7 times. So the current time is 6:35 p.m., 6:36 p.m., Santa Ana, California. And we will go to random.org. Alright, and remember, it doesn't like spaces. Amy, thanks for closing us out there. Which means we're doing a giveaway. We have a sellout, so that means we're doing a giveaway. So I will show you what that giveaway is in just a moment. If I can find it, because I had it sitting here for so long. I'm not ignoring anyone. I'm just trying to get things together. Alright, so here we go. 7 times. There's all 11 names. Good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. So let me copy this. And we're going to XL here. And didn't like that at first. Okay. All right. So here's how this is going to work. The serial number filler is going to go in this order. So we go off the last number of the serial number. So Jen, if we get a 1 of 1, it's going to be yours off of those, and that's for those teams that were in the filler, which is Buffalo, Carolina, Montreal, New York Rangers, Philly, Pittsburgh, and Vancouver. So Jen, any 1 of 1s are yours. Ronnie, anything that ends with a 2 is yours. Scott, anything with a 3. Macis, anything that ends in a 4. Amy ends in a 5. Issa ends in a 6. Ronnie again with anything that ends in a 7. Amy, you get 8, 9, 10, and anything that is not numbered. All right, clear as mud, right? All right. Oh, and you're going to notice we have a different angle today. We're trying this, trying something a little different. Let's see if I can bring you guys back up here. I can't see the live chat. Hey. Okay, wow, we got a crowd. Hey, Jen. All right, Jen, hoping for a 1 of 1 for you out of those teams. That would be pretty cool. All right, let's get the show on the road. Oh, everyone want to see what the giveaway is going to be for tonight? Let me do that first. Since we technically sold out, thank you everyone for the fillers and all that. Since we technically sold out, we are going to be giving away this puck. And who's the puck signed by? Well, Boston Bruin. So we have an autographed puck of Dougie Hamilton. And it does come with a certificate of authenticity. So we'll get that out to the winner. I will do that giveaway afterwards. Now I've got nowhere to put this. Okay, there we go. All right. So good luck, everyone. Trevor's there handling the comments. He'll be live chatting with you guys today. All right, we have a 6-box mixer today of 15-16 SP Game Used, 15-16 Upper Deck Black. I'm looking forward to that one. I haven't opened one of those before. Haven't opened one of these either. A 15-16 Ultimate Collection. Let's go McDavid. Then we have some 17-18 Premier. We have some 17-18 SP Game Used. And we have some 18-19 Artifacts. Now, disclaimer. Number 1. If we pull a Gretzky tin, it's going to LA. So that's number 1. Number 2, if we get any expired redemptions out of these 3, I will still send you the redemption so you can try and hash it out with Upper Deck. So, where do we start? I think we start with the new product. I think we start new. What I want to do too is pull up the list. Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. Ricardo, hopefully we get you some Gretzky action going today. That would be pretty cool. All right, let's do it. How's everybody like this camera angle? It's a little different, I know. Good luck, everyone. Okay, so yeah, well, new camera angle for me, so we're gonna be figuring this out. Let me get some sleeves ready to go. All right. We start off with base, and we have an Arum Patrick Kane for Chicago. All right. So let's put those off to the side. Let me sleeve this one up real quick. First hit goes to Chicago. I think I need to move over here, so. Okay, Bo Horvat, Phil Kessel. All right, we have a rookie redemption wild card. And the redemption is 213. So let me find out who that is real quick. We have another base. Let's find out who redemption 213 is. Redemption 213 is Maxime Lajoie for the Ottawa Senators. So, next hit goes to Ottawa. Okay. Thanks everyone for hanging in there with us. We have there we go. We have our first autograph for the Rangers. Ryan Spooner. Yeah, thanks for hanging in there with us. I know it's been, I think, almost 2 weeks since we've done a break. We're getting some stuff sorted out. We also set up a deal with our local card shop. We're going to be doing some breaks for them. They do baseball. So if you're interested in baseball breaks, go check out our website, bardownbreaks.com. And we have a baseball break listed there. We'll get into what other breaks we have. So base, and we have a red ruby Victor Hedman. It's a 36 out of 299. I'll do my best, Issa. I'll do my best. All right. Corey Crawford for the Blackhawks. Get that sleeved up there in a little bit. I don't know how I'm liking this camera angle. Mark Stone. $133 out of $299. Base. See how many autographs were we supposed to get? 3 autograph, memorabilia, or arms. So let's hope this is a hot box. Oh, that's kind of cool. Rob Langway for the Capitals. 202 out of 349. And Martin Brodeur. A 96 out of 99 Emerald. All right, good start. Decent start for Artifacts. All right. What do we move on to? We'll do SP Game Used, and then we'll do the Premiere. How about that? Yes. Let's see. Let me pull up the list. I've got so much going on my screen. Okay, so just to recap on the fillers. Nothing yet, Jordan. So Jen, number 1, ending in 1. Ronnie, ending in 2. Scott, ending in 3. Masis, ending in 4. Amy, ending in 5. Issa, ending in 6. Ronnie, ending in 7. And then Amy, ending in 8, 9, 0. I don't know why this is 10. Sorry about that. Zeros and then or no numbers. So Amy, 8, 9 zeros or no numbers. So I just need to remind myself of which teams were in the filler. But you're absolutely right, Ronnie. I need to make sure I announce that. Okay, so now that I have that saved, so let's recap here real quick. So there was no Buffalo, no Montreal. There was a Rangers hit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that one's a no number. This one was to Ottawa. No Pittsburgh, no Vancouver. So far, the only filler that's hit is this Ryan Spooner auto. And so the Ryan Spooner auto is the only one, and it's not numbered, so it's going to Amy. So that's a good start. Ronnie, thanks for reminding me to do that. It's the first time I've done a serial filler, so it's growing pains. Okay, so first up out of SP Game Used, we have Authentic Rookies, Dan Renouf, number 3 out of 20. Authentic Rookies for Detroit. Next up, we have for St. Louis, Ian Barbashev, 80 out of 221. For Winnipeg, Tucker Pullman. Nice little autograph there. Get that one sleeved up. Yeah, Issa, you just hit this Winnipeg Tucker Pullman auto. For St. Louis, banner year, Jaden Schwartz. There we go. All right, looks like I'm going to have to get close to the camera to get that to focus. John Gillies for Calgary, 88 out of 199. And Nikita Kucherov for the Tampa Bay Lightning. All right, not a bad box. Not a bad box. Moving on. So no feedback on that camera angle yet, huh? Oh, Jen, you want me to say the filler teams again? Unless you heard me say them earlier, but I'll say them again. So filler teams are Buffalo, Carolina, Montreal, New York Rangers, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Vancouver. Ronnie's really, really hoping that he hits on that Pittsburgh, I'm sure. And all right, the tin's a no auto tin. Sorry, Ricardo. Okay. First hit for the Rangers, Kevin Shattenkirk. So that one is 128 out of 249. So, Amy, your card. For Ottawa, Alex Formenton. That one is 281 out of 399. For Carolina, a Yanni Kukkonen rookie premier auto. Nice 3-color patch on there. And that one is numbered 203 out of 299. 203 out of 299. So, Scott, that one goes to you, bud. See the serial number on there. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Connor Sheary. Sorry about that. I don't know why I thought that said Crosby. And that one is serial number 78 out of 99. So that one's going to Amy. Oh, this one's going to wait. For Edmonton, we have a Premier Duels 4 out of 99, Leon Draisaitl and Connor McDavid. Yeah, that one's going to wait. And for Winnipeg, you have Jack Roslovic. Issa, you got another one, bud. Eric, what's going on, man? Here we go. For Detroit, we have an Anthony Mantha 3 out of 10 autograph. I know Trevor's jealous right now. That's pretty nice. We've had some luck pulling out of 10s, out of 5s in these Premiers boxes. But that one's a really cool one. Anthony Mantha. Okay, so someone give me one. We're going to do game used, black, or ultimate. Game used, black, or ultimate. Black, Jen. Jen calls it. As you can see, I've never opened one of these, so I had no idea how it opened. Okay. Look for 6 super premium cards per pack. Man, that's actually really thick. Okay, everyone, we are now McDavid hunting. We are officially McDavid hunting. Oh, wow, we have a booklet. We have a booklet. Oh, man, this is going to be nice. You say you got another Jets hit. It was a Jack Roslovic jersey card. Okay, so coming up first for Boston. That was a terrible accent. Why did I do that? First for Boston, 86 out of 349, Bobby Orr. These are some really nice cards. Man, I wish Upper Deck would do these again. I know they do, but the booklets are... I'm looking forward to it. All right, 178 out of 299. We have Kevin Fiala. Illustrious rookies for Nashville. Beautiful, beautiful card. I think we're going to do that booklet last. For Chicago, Artemi Panarin. We got black rookie coverage relics. It's kind of interesting seeing some of these players on other teams, their original teams. Star coverage, Cam Ward for the Hurricanes. And this one is not numbered, so that one goes to Amy. Whew, this one's nice. Rookie Showcase Relics, Calvin Dahan. This one's numbered 16 out of 25. That one's going to the Islanders. And just for reference, there's the Islanders logo there. That's a nice patch. All right, and the booklet. No way. 6's relic booklets. Okay. Oh, man. Yeah, Kevin, that's pretty nice. Here we go. For the San Jose Sharks, Jordan, Joe Pavelski, Brent Burns, Patrick Marleau, Logan Couture, Joe Thornton, and Martin Jones. That is a pretty cool card. We'll get that one. Do I have a one-touch for that? I might actually have a one-touch for that. You don't even want to see what my desk looks like right now, everyone. It's I don't know how my wife puts up with it. Okay, next we're going to SP Game Used. We are still McDavid hunting. And you know what? They have some other Gretzky cards too, so hopefully there's some more Gretzky cards. Jordan, yeah, man, that was a really cool hit. Those booklets are nice. Hey Trevor, I think we need to look into getting a case of 15-16 black. If we can get it, I think we should do it. I think people would be interested. I mean, I'm interested at least. I don't know if that's enough. Whew. Alright, let's give that a little help. I try. Okay. We have 2015 All-Star Skills Fabrics Duels, Bobby Ryan and Mike Hoffman for the Ottawa Senators. Oh, we're right. We have Yaroslav Halak for the Islanders. All-Star Skills Fabrics. Next up, we have for the Oilers, Authentic Rookies, Anton Slepyashev. A nice auto. Not the Oiler we're looking for. I think he is with Vegas now. All right. For the Sharks, we have an NHL Stadium Series Relics 10 out of 49, Alex Stalock. Hey, Jordan, is Stalock still in your system, or did he get traded? Or if you're here, Jordan, I don't even know if you're here. I'm asking a question. Okay, last card. Oh man, it's not McDavid. I'm just gonna tell you that. But Jordan, you're having one heck of a break, dude. One heck of a break. NHL Game Gear 2015 Stadium Series. Melker Carlson, a 3 out of 3. Jersey, patch, strap, and tag. Whew. That is sweet. That one's going. That one's gonna go in a one touch. I just happen to have one here because I'm more prepared than I give myself credit for sometimes. Man, that one's cool. All right, everyone. Good luck. Last box of the break. Oh, you know what? You're right. You said he is in mini now. Okay. Before we finish this and we do our giveaway for the puck, I'm going to remind everybody that we still have 2 breaks posted. We have 2 inners, 2 8-box inners of 18-19 SP Authentic. And there are still plenty of teams left. So we've got a master case that we're pulling these 2 inners from. You know, we've been seeing a lot of these acetate Easter egg cards. So go check it out. We'd really love to break that soon. I have the box. It's ready to go. It's in hand. As soon as one of them's filled, I'll break that one half. And as soon as the other half's full, I'll break that one. So let's do it. Okay. That was a small pack. How many cards in here? 4, I think. Okay, cool. We'll figure it out later. We're going to figure it out right now by cracking it open. So if you want a spot in SP Authentic, go grab one. No, there's 6 cards in here. And then Trevor and I will actually talk about what we're going to do next. So good luck, everybody. We are still McDavid hunting. For the Dallas Stars, Radek Faksa. Debut threads. And that one's numbered 109 out of 149. For the Vancouver Canucks, Ryan Miller, 112 out of 199. So, Ronnie, that one goes to you, bud. For Nashville, Shea Weber, 76 out of 199. Okay. All right, let's go to the bottom here. For Columbus, we have Josh Anderson. Columbus was taken. Okay, so 206 out of 299. I believe that one's going to Tony. That was a nice one. Actually, let's sleeve that up. You know, I'm laughing because I know something that you guys are going to find out here in a minute. Jordan excluded the giveaway. Okay. All right. Let's be very careful about this. All right. So for Montreal, a Guy Lafleur, Material Achievements. This one's numbered 80 out of 99. So that one goes to Amy. That's a pretty cool card. All right. Excuse me for a moment. There's one card left. And that card, I know, requires a one-touch. So I'm just going to get prepared here. I'm pretty sure these are 75s. Yes. Yes, they are. Okay. All right, everyone. You ready for this last hit? I'm ready for this last hit. For the Edmonton Oilers. You've got to be kidding me right now. For the Edmonton Oilers, serial number 97 out of 99. Connor McDavid, Ultimate Rookies. What a way to end the break. 97 out of 99. So we not only pulled a McDavid rookie card, but we pulled a McDavid rookie serial numbered to his jersey. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. I don't even know what to say. Wow. Just wow. Incredible. And it's hard signed. I'm pretty sure all the ultimate ones are hard signed, but that's just crazy. So there we go, everyone. Wow. What an amazing way to end the break. Thank you, everyone, for all of your support. Hang tight with me for a minute. I need to plug this laptop in real quick, and then I will do the giveaway. Thank you, everyone, for your support, your continued patience with us being absent for a little bit there. I'm glad we got back into the swing of things, and I I'm just blown away by how you guys are so supportive and how we get some of these amazing hits. I mean, we've got a 3 of 3 here. We've got the McDavid number to his jersey. We have the Sharks booklet. I mean, there's a lot of hits that we got today that are absolutely incredible. And thank you all for being here with that. Kevin, thank you. Jen, thank you. Amanda, everybody that's here, thank you, everybody. You're all great, and it's really nice to have you all here. So with that, what I'm going to do, what is it that I'm going to do? Okay, so the giveaway is going to work this way. Serial filler guys and girls. I believe all of you had a team. If you didn't, but I believe you all did. So let me look at this real quick. Jen technically didn't have a team, so we're gonna add her in there. Ronnie had a team, Scott had a team, Massis had a team, and then Amy didn't have a team, so we're gonna add Amy in there. Okay, so here is what we do. Here is what we do. We're gonna go here. Here's everybody. Okay, so if we end up on a serial filler as the winner, then what we are going to do is we are going to random again between Amy and Jen. Everybody good with that? I hope everybody's good with that. Tony, what's up, dude? You got a couple? I think you got a couple cards. In case you missed it, those were the two huge pulls. McDavid, auto, rookie, numbered to his jersey. And we had a 3 of 3 Sharks hit. Okay. So, there's local time. First things first, we will dice roller. Okay, anything 5 or higher. Ooh, 9. Okay. Man, I wonder how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna back some of these out here so it stays on one line. Jordan, really? Yeah, I'll do a little hit recap here at the end. You got a thing or two, yeah. Okay, so everybody's on the same line. And what I'll do is, you know what I'll do? I'm gonna put Amy here. I'm gonna put Jen here, and I'm going to get rid of the rest of the serial fillers. That way it makes it fair for everybody. How about that? Because for combo 1, Jen and Jordan had an agreement, but really it's Jordan's pick, so let's make this as fair as possible. Okay? So Jen, I'm going to take your name off of that one there. Okay. Alright, giveaway time. Kevin. Oh, it's alright, dude. We're just giving you a hard time because you actually had an amazing break. Alright, so here's how the giveaway is going to work. I added Amy in there. I added Jen in there. We're going to roll this 9 times. Everybody, good luck. This is for the Dougie Hamilton puck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eric on top, Chad at the bottom. Boom, 9. Ronnie. There you go, bud. There is your timestamp. There's your current local time. Ronnie with the Dougie Hamilton puck. All yours, dude. Cool. That worked out great. Let me put your name on that. Chad, I hope you're watching, dude. Because that was insanity. Okay. So, little hit recap. Jordan, you watching? Ah, Jen, that's right. It was your first time. Whoa. Okay. So first things first. McDavid, McJesus, whoever you want to call him. 97 out of 99 rookie auto. Jordan. We have this 3 of 3 Game Gear from the Stadium Series. We had this pretty nice Anthony Mantha that's going to go in a case here in a second. It's going to go in a one touch. Jordan, you have the booklet. This booklet's really nice. I'm hoping I have a one touch for it. If I don't, it's going to get packaged up really securely. Don't worry about that. For the Islanders, Calvin DeHaan. Let's see, what other good ones do we have? We had another auto here, Tucker Pullman. Issa, that one's for you. Ah, yeah, we had the Kevin Fiala. That was a cool one. This, I know this isn't like a massive hit or anything, but this Bobby Orr card is pretty slick. I like that one. Tony, this was your Josh Anderson. Anton Slepyshev, authentic rookies. And Kukkonen, rookie auto patch. That one will go in a one touch. And those were the really big hits that we had, everyone. Nothing major. Thank you, everyone. That's just a great break. It was really fun. I really like doing this mixer. It seems like things have slowed down a little bit. I think because of the season ending, and I totally understand that. We'd still love to provide you with some great breaks and the best pricing that we can get you. And please check out those SP Authentic inners. There's still plenty of teams available. We'd love to get those filled out so we can break those. So check us out on Facebook. You're here there, so you know how to do that. Instagram and Twitter at Bar Down Breaks, and check out our website bardownbreaks.com to see the latest breaks that we have, break recaps, hit recaps, and check out that baseball break we have. If you're into baseball, check that out. That's available right now. And we will see you next time. Have a great night, everyone.